Okay. So I'm in iRacing right here. Okay. So the car is turned off, right? So over here, I'll flip this switch, which is my ignition, right? Still not turned on though. Then I'll flip this other switch, which is the starter. Yeah, I can turn it up so you can hear it. So now, basically, that's what those buttons do. Let's see. And then I think this one here is for my brake bias, up and down. This here is a volume adjustment for like the bass shaker or whatever. And then these other two actually control my like field of view and just basically the driver height and field of view. So I can change that on the fly if I want. And then coming down here, this is look left, look right. This is a windshield tear off. So use that in like dirt racing. And then this one changes basically the lap time reference. So it'll show me what I'm running against my best lap, like all-time best lap at that track, or like best session lap. Let's see, this guy. So these four down here control these little black boxes. So it's just different views, but it's also the pit controls, right? So if you're going into pit, I can use this little dial to select what I'm looking at. And then I can, with the other dial, I can change the amount of fuel I want to add, or I can click it, say I don't want to fuel. Same with tires, right? Want to replace those tires and change the PSI and stuff. So that's actually really handy. Let's see, these other two dials, master volume for one, and the other one's a voice chat volume for other drivers. And I don't think I have these two programmed. I don't remember what they're set for. Let's see. And then, the yellow button, that's to chat with the other drivers. And then the blue button is to exit, right? So, and then I can hit that again to go back in. And then gotta start. Okay, so I got my shifter, right? Yeah, that's pretty much it for iRacing.